Building a website for your gift wrap store doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple website for your gift wrap store on the Mighty Sites platform that's simple and affordable. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Now, once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, gift wrap store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from. You can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that one off. Don't worry about it because today I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline. Of course, you can change it. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. And the great thing about it is they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your own Mighty Sites websites. You want to make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these products in your store. You can absolutely do so. You don't need to know any website coding. It's really easy. You don't need to have any website development skills. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So I'm going to go ahead, click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers for their convenience. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address to be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. If you want to make slight edits to your logo, you can click on that little pencil over it to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger or smaller to suit your needs. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, there's no need to know any color coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner to go through all the color palette options available for you to use. For each section you would like to make more suited to your very own business, click on update section directly underneath it. This is where you can update the image. You can search through the photo library or upload your own image. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. Pull in those photos if you have a business profile. And underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons where you can change the text on the buttons where they're linked. You can even upload a PDF file. In the last section at the bottom is where you can put in your opening hours for your business. Head on over to update hours. Once you've put in the hours for each day of the week, click on save. The page will automatically reload after saving to display your opening hours over here for your customers' convenience. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You can purchase a domain from another host, and you also have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. How convenient. All you need to do is click on that button as well and say, I want to purchase a new domain. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your gift wrap store, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.